Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to regain access to your iPhone when you have forgotten your passcode. Whether you have entered the wrong passcode too many times or simply can't remember it. Don't worry, iTunes can help you get back into your device safely. So, very first step we need to do is we need to connect our iPhone. We need to put our iPhone in the recovery mode. For that, um, very first thing you need to do is press volume up button quickly and release. Next, press volume down button quickly and release. And after that, press the right side button for a longer time until you see connect to your device icon on your iPhone. Once you see that, you need to connect the USB cable between your iPhone and your computer and open your iTunes, and you can see your iPhone is connected to your computer. You see the screen, click on update. As soon as you click on update, it will start downloading the software update for your iPhone. As you can read here, iPhone recovery mode, iTunes is downloading a software update for this iPhone and will install it when the download is completed. So you can see the download icon on the top right corner, and it's downloading your software for iPhone right now. It might take a long time because it's a big one, more than 7 GBs. So we would really need your patience. So once the download has been fully completed, these options will be clickable. Right now they are showing grayed out. You can see the progress here. It's 2.18 GB has been downloaded out of 7.13 GB. Okay, so update has been completed already. Right now it's showing preparing iPhone for restore, and it is saying that iPhone recovery mode. iTunes is restoring the software on this iPhone. So it might take few more minutes, and once it's all done, you should be all good to use your phone again, and it should be easily unlocked by now. Thank you for watching my video. See you guys in the next video. Bye for now.